Welcome to Invasive Species Awareness Week. My name is Barry Kogan and I'm the Senior Manager for Youth Programs and Woodland Initiatives here at Wave Hill in the Bronx. Wave Hill has been a leader in place-based environmental education for over 30 years. Our Woodland Ecology Research Mentorship Program gives New York City youth, that we also call our WERMs, an opportunity to learn about science and ecology in a very authentic setting. In a moment, you will see 3 of our current WERM students working on their final project. They've been preparing 14 months to get ready for this, and they started early this month. Together with their mentor, ecologist Alex Byrne from the Friends of Van Cortlandt Park, Paolo, Alex, and Christine will work on studying crayfish this summer. New York City has 10,000 acres of natural areas, and it also has an inspiring and unique community of scientists and restoration practitioners working to improve these areas. Alex's research focuses on getting a better sense of the ecology of this space, and one particular theory he has is that one of the new crayfish he's been finding, anecdotally, might be invasive.
We've been working on Tibbetts Brook and Van Cortlandt Lake for really almost 2+ years, looking at the water chemistry, also the biology, so the macroinvertebrates that live in the system, the small stuff, the things that actually make up the majority of ecosystems, like insects, arthropods, bacteria, fungi, all these things. We really don't have a good understanding of their distribution and their biodiversity just in general in urban areas. What we're hoping to do here is build up the data set for crayfish in New York City, and then we start to build up this bigger picture of crayfish distribution, which is incredibly important because we're losing them and they're incredibly sensitive to water quality, and cities have water quality issues.
So right now we set up a couple of traps along Tibbetts Brook in the lake.
The way that the traps work is that we have these things that we order that are basically, they are traps.
The traps contain dog food, which we found out attract the crayfish, so we're hoping to lure them in using the dog food.
So then they would just walk inside and eat the food and just have trouble coming out.
It's a new experience.
From the very beginning, our main focus was to provide students with the opportunity to meet local scientists, hence the mentorship part of the program. The idea was that if our students were involved with actual work and research that's taking place in New York City, they will get a unique experience and perspective on what it takes to pursue a scientific career.